Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. We will learn some of the important helping verbs and will understand them better with the help of examples. Let us first learn what are exactly auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Auxiliary verb is a word that adds functional or grammatical meaning to the clause in which it occurs, so as to express tense, aspect, modality, voice, emphasis, etc. Auxiliary verbs usually accompany an infinitive verb or a participle, which respectively provide the main semantic content of the clause. Auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs, helper verbs, or verbal auxiliaries. Now, let us learn one by one with the help of example. First one is am. For example, I am going to the store. Here, am is the helping verb. Next is is. Example, she is reading a book. Here, is the helping verb. And reading is the main verb. Next is are. Example, they are playing soccer. Here, are is the helping verb and playing is the main verb. Next is was. He was cooking dinner. Here, was is the helping verb and cooking is the main verb. Next, were. Example, we were watching a movie. Here, were is the helping verb and watching is the main verb. Next is be. She wants to be a teacher. Here, want is the main verb and be is the helping verb. Next is been. Example, they have been traveling for hours. Here, been is the helping verb and travel is the main verb. Next is have. Example, I have finished my homework. Here, have is the helping verb and finished is the main verb. Next, has. Example, she has seen that movie. Here, has is the helping verb and seen is the main verb. Next, had. Example, they had already left when I arrived. Here, had is the helping verb and left is the main verb. Next is do. Example, do you know the answer? Here, do is the helping verb and know is the main verb. Next is does. Example, he does not like spicy food. Here, does is the helping verb and like is the main verb. Next, did. Example, I did go to the store yesterday. Here, did is the helping verb and go is the main verb. Next, will, will. Example, we will visit the museum tomorrow. Here, will is the helping verb and visit is the main verb. Next, would, would. Example, I would like some ice cream. Here, would is the helping verb and like is the main verb. Next, can. Example, she can play the piano very well. Here, can is the helping verb and play is the main verb. Next, could. Example, he could solve the puzzle. Here, could is the helping verb and solve is the main verb. Next is may. Example, may I borrow your pen? Here, may is the helping verb and borrow is the main verb. Next is might. Example, it might rain later. Here, might is the helping verb and rain is the main verb. Next, shall. Example, I shall return by evening. Here, shall is the helping verb and return is the main verb.